Learn Afrikaans future tense. I will go.
Ek sal gaan.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there, language adventurer. Yes, you, do. Ready to time travel to the future tense? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more free resources, study plans, and bite-sized drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Buckle up, your mouth is about to say cool Afrikaans things with a smile. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say, "will go" for every subject. Simple pattern, big win. I will go.
Ek sal gaan.
You will go, singular.
Jy sal gaan.
He will go.
Hy sal gaan.
She will go.
Sy sal gaan.
It will go.
Dit sal gaan.
We will go.
Ons sal gaan.
You will go, plural.
Julle sal gaan.
They will go.
Hulle sal gaan.
Pattern check. Subject plus.
Sal.
Plus.
Gaan.
Easy peasy. Mini dialogue. The Great Couch Escape. Listen once, then shadow the lines. You're the star, do, action. A. My couch says I should never leave. B. Tell it, I have plans. I will go.
Ek sal gaan.
Quote. A. And me? B. Friendly nudge. You will go.
Jy sal gaan.
A. Can we team up? B. Absolutely, we will go.
Ons sal gaan.
Couch, whispers, fine, it will go fine.
Dit sal gaan.
Rhythm drill, tap the future. Clap or tap your desk, feel the beat, then drop the words on it. Beat 1 2 3 4. I will go, pause.
Ek sal gaan.
Rest. You, sing.
Jy sal gaan.
You, plural.
Julle sal gaan.
He, she, they.
Hy sal gaan. Sy sal gaan. Hulle sal gaan.
Reassure yourself, it will go.
Dit sal gaan.
Final group chant.
Ek sal gaan. Ons sal gaan. Julle sal gaan.
Quick quiz, call and response. Answer out loud, your plant won't judge. I promise. Say in Afrikaans, we will go. Answer.
Ons sal gaan.
Say in Afrikaans, she will go. Answer.
Sy sal gaan.
Say in Afrikaans, they will go. Answer.
Hulle sal gaan.
Say in Afrikaans, you will go, plural. Answer.
Julle sal gaan.
Finish the reassurance, it will go. Answer.
Dit sal gaan.
Lightning round. I will go.
Ek sal gaan.
He will go.
Hy sal gaan.
You, sing, will go.
Jy sal gaan.
Culture tip. Calm like a local. Stressed? Borrow this friendly Afrikaans vibe. Afrikaans speakers often reassure with, it will go.
Dit sal gaan.
Like saying, it'll be fine. Drop it before a test, a trip, or troubleshooting the coffee machine. Bonus. Your shoulders relax 12%. Science-ish. Challenge. Future tense micro scene. Create a 3-line scene using 3 different subjects. Ready, do? Prompt. Line 1, you sing. Line 2, she. Line 3, we. Example. You will go now.
Jy sal gaan.
She will go later.
Sy sal gaan.
We will go together tomorrow.
Ons sal gaan.
Quote. Extra stars if you also slip in.
Hy sal gaan. Julle sal gaan.
Or.
Hulle sal gaan.
And for a calm ending.
Dit sal gaan.
Wrap up and high five. You nailed the pattern, subject plus.
Sal.
Plus.
Gaan.
Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Ek sal gaan. Jy sal gaan. Hy sal gaan. Sy sal gaan. Dit sal gaan. Ons sal gaan. Julle sal gaan. Hulle sal gaan.
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and laughs at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you in the next episode. Your future tense is looking bright.